Standard 8, Subject English, Composition, Topic, Expansion of Idea. So before we start writing expansion of idea, we need to know certain points which would be very important for us in our near future. In expansion of idea, one has to use important thoughts related to the main idea. Try to omit unnecessary matters. Try to bring out the significant ideas. Think for a while to know the meaning of expansion. Where, how, why do we use this proverb in our daily life? We have to have perfect reason and explain the facts with the examples. So today I will show you how to write this expansion. That is, honesty is a best policy. You know, honesty means truth. And truth always wins. But being untruthful always lands us in trouble. You have to remember every lie, every time. An honest person is always free as he speaks truth. No worries. He gains self-respect and trust. It is a wise proverb which teaches us to solve problem in every difficult situation. The term policy implies that honesty should be followed as a principle, no matter how hard and challenging it is. One of our greatest leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, who was an ardent preacher of honesty, who firmly believes in accepting mistakes and improve. Lies always gives you a temporary joy and benefit, but will always have to fear in our minds of being caught. Lies is never ending chain. Honest person enjoys like a peaceful sleep. Dishonest person always try to apologize for the mistake. An honest employee will always be rewarded when the right time comes. Dishonest work fails always. Honest work wins. So, you know the story of a woodcutter and a fairy? When the woodcutter's axe falls in the river, the fairy rewards him with gold and silver axe as a reward for speaking truth. Nowadays, people commit fraud, cheating, corruption to earn more money. But it doesn't last for a long time. Even the rose looks beautiful in the midst of thorns. But we should know that honest person has always be strong and longer even in business, workplaces and family matters, even in the society. So you know that truth alone triumphs. Satyameva Jayate. Thank you.